Hi, everybody. My name is Pedro. I'm the CEO at Advex AI. Our mission is to unlock reliable vision for industrial automation. This is 99% of all factories today. Humans are assembling and checking everything. This is a Tesla factory, Industry 4.0. Robots, not humans, fully automated. And everyone wants to be like Tesla. 80% of factories are trying to automate using AI, but they can't. One core reason why is that each factory needs to build hundreds of reliable AI vision models to assemble, inspect, and validate their products. Building these kinds of models is extremely difficult. You need to collect a lot of the right kind of data. To do this manually today, factories are spending years and millions of dollars. Synthetic data is the solution. The right kind of synthetic data can make computer vision practical and efficient for those 80%. But traditional synthetic data is too slow and too expensive. It relies on creating these really hard to make 3D models and taking pictures of them. But generative AI brought along diffusion, which can make images extremely fast. But when we ask even the best diffusion tools for a complicated picture, maybe of two packages on a belt conveyor with a top-down view, we can even give it a reference image here, we don't get what we want. Midjourney gets it wrong. DALL-E gets it wrong. We need a diffusion system that we can actually control. Over the last 4 months, my team has built the steering wheel for diffusion. We built a pixel-perfect controllability layer on top of diffusion that takes in multimodal user input and outputs exactly what the user wants. For example, we can give it this extremely complicated picture, and we get exactly what we asked for. Advex is building an end-to-end, reliable computer vision pipeline with synthetic data that actually works. We are tackling two very difficult problems here of figuring out what data we need, this is blind spot detection, and then creating that data, this is data generation. Let me share with you how this pipeline worked for one of our customers, who is one of the largest industrial vision companies in the world. First, they collected only 1/10 of the data that they normally collect. Then our system analyzed this data to find where we needed more variety. We have a lot of pictures of bags, and boxes, but we don't have a lot of pictures of large packages or multiple packages per frame. Our system automatically generated these images in just a couple hours using our controllable diffusion. Then it trained a model on the real and the synthetic data. The factory then deployed this on their line. Once deployed, our system actively monitors inputs for blind spots in real time. For example, if we have a change in the background, we detect this automatically. We have a self-healing system here, which means that when we detect this change, we automatically create the right synthetic data to understand this new environment and ensure reliability continuously. We are the right team to build this pipeline. My CTO, Osriel, has spent the last 4 years leading synthetic data projects at NVIDIA and at Snapchat. He grew up around industrial automation in his parents' factory in China. My CPO, Kasim, has spent the last 4 years doing blind spot detection research at Virginia Tech and at Path AI. I myself have done computer vision research at Google Brain, and I've led multiple companies from idea to scaling sales. We have already built our controllable diffusion, and it works. For that large industrial vision company, we reduced their data costs and time to production by 50%. We also improved their models by 20%. That large enterprise customer is already a paying customer, and they're not alone. Over the last 3 months, we've onboarded 3 customers for $170,000 in revenue. We have 5 active POCs that we expect to convert into $500,000 over the next 6 months. We've also secured one of the most prominent vision companies in the world, Magic Leap, to be our design partner for blind spot detection. In just the United States, there are almost 4,000 factories with over 500 employees each. Each of these want to automate at least 50 tasks. We can charge about $50,000 per model. This means that we have an opportunity of $9.5 billion. We are Advex, and we are going to improve industrial efficiency 1,000-fold. If you want to change the world, come talk to us. Thank you.